Hello students, very warm welcome back in this channel. Today's topic input function. Input means what? Simple, by the help of this we can input any data or instruction into the computer system according to our requirement. So in Python, input function also helps user to input any data or instruction according to their requirement after using input function. Input function के द्वारा हम क्या करते हैं, यूजर से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं टू इनपुट एनीथिंग रिक्वायरमेंट के अनुसार. सिंपल, जैसे दिस इज द सिंटैक्स, this is variable, okay, and in this variable if I try to input, if I try to store any string value or integer value, yeah, any value during the execution time, then simple here I use the input function. So here I write name equal to input and enter name, okay, and simple if you try to print this name with any string value like hello and your given name. So simple you write like this. Okay. So now let us start and try to understand. Yeah. Input function. So print what? Hello. Okay. So simple this line print hello. Clear? Now here I am going to use input function. So this is the variable like name equal to input, and this is the function where I try to pass uh, parameter like enter name, okay. For the new line, simple here I press enter and this name I try to print with hello, okay. So simple comma and this is variable. Okay, now save this, now execute this. Enter name Nutan guide, now press enter. You may notice over that the output hello Nutan guide, okay. This is the string and this is the variable, okay. Now the next, if you try to enter any integer value, so here I assume a equal to again input and enter first number, okay. For the new line, simple here I write b equal to input enter second number, okay. Now direct you may print a plus b. In this case, notice over that with steps of error you are going to receive. Now execute this. Sorry, सेव नहीं हुआ है. So again save this, okay. First line, तो मैं इसे कमेंट में डाल देती हूँ फर्स्ट लाइन को, okay. For the comment, simple here I use hashtag and now the second line also here I use hashtag, okay. Now save this, now execute this. Enter first number 5, now enter second number 8. Here the output is what? 5 8, okay. आफ्टर एडिशन ये आपको क्या रिजल्ट दे रहा है? 5 8, यानी कि आपका ये जो 5 और 8 जो आपने वैल्यू को इनपुट किया, ये आपका एज द स्ट्रिंग ट्रीट कर रहा है. इट मीन्स अगर आप यहाँ पे इनपुट करते हो हेलो वर्ल्ड, तो सिंपल दिस प्रिंट योर हेलो वर्ल्ड लाइक दिस, ओके, आफ्टर a plus b. जैसे अगेन एग्जीक्यूट दिस hello, now the next world. So this print hello world, okay, work as the string. So in this case here, this will a good idea to type data type, okay. मैं डेटा टाइप के लिए भी एक वीडियो बनाऊंगी. So simple here I use int. Okay, int. Now the next, which types of value you are going to input during the execution time. किस तरह के value को आप input करने जा रहे हो during the execution time. So simple here I write uh, okay, before this here I need to type int. Okay, now save this. Now execute this. Enter first number 5, enter second number 8. Now the answer is 13. Okay, so input function is what? Input function helps you to input any string value, any integer value, any data according to your requirement during the execution time, during the runtime. Thank you. Thank you for watching this. In the next video, I will discuss about type function.